Map Business Online. This is a video about posting data within Map Business Online with a variable column. You'll notice in my spreadsheet that I've got here, prior to import, I've got a client status column that indicates whether there's a required visit or the account has been visited. And you could use anything there. It could be 1 and 2, yes and no, required, visited, whatever you want to call it. Also notice that I have a unique ID column in my data, and that unique ID column is that column that you utilize as you import the data to give you an automatic update opportunity later to make things easier to update. So if you're updating a spreadsheet with required and visited, that unique ID column makes it easy to simply find that data here. Click the edit gear from map and data. So we're in map and data. You hover over the data that you've imported. So we've already imported the data. It's on the map. And you've got this update data set from file. So that lets you update the data set. Map Business Online gives you a report back that says 6 records were updated. And then you can move on with your life without having to recreate the spreadsheet and re-import it. The import process for any spreadsheet, of course, is through the plot data location on map button right there, which we've already done here, and we've got other videos on that. I won't go into that again, other than to say, as you import data in Map Business Online, there will be dialog pages that help you go through that process and will advise you on what the best approach is. Once that column is in Map Business Online, I color-coded that column of data. So I went into my data set. Now it's in Map Business Online. And I skipped the first summarize because I don't want to summarize by county or zip code or anything like that. And I just went in and grabbed my client status column. That's the one with required and visited. And I chose that. It's only 2 ranges. I picked a red button or a green button. It's either required to visit or it's visited. And I click done, and that's how it looks on the map. And if you've got shared maps through a team subscription, then everybody who's got a Map Business Online subscription could be looking at this same map, and they can all go in and edit as things are updated. So they could go into any of the data points. And let's say it was this one. Select it. It's now selected on the map. There it is. Selected here. We go in and edit. We're going to edit the properties. And I'm going to change it from required to visited. Save the data edit. And my color has gone from red to green. You can see right on top there, it's now green. So that's a quick way for you to establish sort of a shared data set for changing some data on the fly, on the map, in Map Business Online. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. And now